guys, what's up? I'm so excited to be showing you right now this marinade. This is my go-to marinade for some asada. I have some flank steak right here. You can use a couple of other options. I can write them down on the description. What I use is lemon juice or lime juice. I got salt, pepper, brown sugar, a few slices of jalapeño, garlic, cilantro, soy sauce, and a little bit of oil. I'll do the oil first, and I'll leave the ingredients for you guys down below. The lemon juice, soy sauce, start with half of it. I'll do the slices of pepper, cilantro. Cilantro just, man, it's amazing. Just put everything together and grab it with this. There we go. And you can marinate this for like an hour, 2 hours if you have time. You can also do it overnight. Everything is better overnight. The more it marinates, the better. But if you don't have time, you can simply leave it for like 10 minutes and then cook it. So let's add the steak. Okay, I'm gonna cover it up and I'm going to marinate this in the fridge for a few hours.